It's a lot. Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is gloryuzuh, and here we make lifestyle content, fashion, beauty, travels, hair, and so on and so forth. So please don't forget to like, comment, subscribe, and share this video with your family, your friends, and your enemies. Spread the love, spread the fun. As you can tell from the title of this video, we'll be taking out my 3-month hair. Locks, braids, mini twists, mini days, we're taking it off today. Exactly 3 months ago, on the 24th of July 2024, I made this hair by myself, and today is the 24th of October, and we'll be taking it out. It has to go, it has to go, it has to go. I know some of you might be wondering, why will you carry your hair for 3 months? It's not healthy, it's not safe. Well, I did wash my hair in between. Yes, I did wash my hair with shampoo, conditioner, and the normal things you do need to wash your hair. So I did wash my hair, so it's not that dirty. So I'm just showing you guys the undergrowth that's in the hair, like that girl in the hair. It has grown. Let's start the process, guys. Gosh, this hair is old. Oh my god, it's old. If you can see my hair is brown. It's not as black as the hair. I hope this thing is focusing, Sha. I have to be really careful because the hair is old and there are a lot of growths. The first one. The time is currently 5:08 p.m. So let's see how many hours it will take me to use the hair.
Your heart, is there any room for me?
It's past 6:15, I guess. 1 hour and you're not even halfway done. The hair is so old that you need to take it with caution. Lose it with caution, if not you're gonna lose a lot of hair.
You find me ugly and one day you'll disappear. Plus, the point of crying, it was never even now. Did you ever want me? Was I ever good enough? Good boys are way up. Good boys are way up. He doesn't.
An hour later, and this is the where we are. I just want to give you guys updates. Hi guys. This is an hour later. This is the progress.
Like that boy is a cap, saying he home but I know where he at. Like, but he blowing her back. Think about me cause you know that it's fat. Ain't it been what it been? Calling his phone like you'll send me a pin. Look at my shit cause you know what I'm on. But when he hit me I'm not gonna respond. But I don't sleep enough without
It's 2 hours later and I finally finished the hair. I hope you guys can hear me, but if you can't hear me, I'm going to do a voiceover. But it's 2 hours later and I finally finished using the hair. I know I look horrible by the way, but pardon me. It's been hours. It's been 5 hours using taking off the hair. I lost a good amount of hair. The amount of hair I lost, that is somebody's hair that is in that person's head. That's the hair that person carries in the person's head. That's the amount of hair I just lost. It's a lot! Somebody's hair I just lost. So in the next video I'll be posting, probably after this, will be my hair wash routine. So if you want to see that, please stick with this channel. Anyways, I've come to the end of this video. If you love this video, please give it a thumbs up, leave a comment below and subscribe to my channel. And also turn on your post notification bell so you'll be notified when I post a new video. Thank you so much for watching this video and I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye!
You kiss me slowly, it's the sweetest thing, and it don't change. If I had it my way, you would